Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel. We will discuss the topic Tracer Data Company about helping an enterprise solve a complex data problem. Drive business value is with connected customer experience. The bar of the customer experience is the set of the very high companies you have are need to the better of the understanding their customer buying journey and to have a complete view of their customer to more effectively personalized communication. Tracer data was built to radically simplify customer data management and help brand us all to of their the customer data to improve the company performance and achieve the personalization efficiency and drive the business value with the connected customer experience. Customer data code our advert winning source of the customer data platform solution integrates customer data connected and decide unified customer profiles applies privacy and make the inside and product valuable and make marketing services scales and the operation to drive the personalized management and improve the customer scale and the rotation of the flexible scalable and the score the platform have a comprehensive counters network that improve with your exit technology stake of the future proof all customer data invested trusted by enterprise around the world. Tracer data helping hundreds of the phones 50 and global 2000 customer including some of the world most recognizable brand generate new data of this recognized as an industry leader. Creating connected customer experience around the world. Tracer data improves the global and enterprise with specialized experience in five international office and distributes data center across the global. Company culture. Tracer data support a hybrid work environment, whether working shoulder to shoulder or collaborating virtually. We still work side by side, finding a unique way to connect and create together while also respecting each other life productive outside to work. If you want to help solve today challenging data problem, check out our current care optimize and consider joining our team. Keys drive the future of the data. Up, upgrade your craze at the company of has growth minding as you are at Tracer Data. We on a mission of the radically simplify of the companies use data to create a better customer experience. Our customer data platform connect data across the experience to deliver a powerful business outcome in a way of the that safe, flexible and scores. Our history also rooted in day. We pointed open source solution and continues to invest in driving inverted technology forward. Our culture. We are a team of the drivers self-started who take innovative, anticipate need and proactive jump into solve problems. We have a high sense of responsibility and ownership and we trust our team number to work collaboratively to get from home to the job done and keep connected whether it working from home at the office or from every less. Our communicate of the diversity we value the promote industry equity in solution and the growing in all aspect of the our business and all the level stress come from knowledging welcoming and incorporating driving percentage drive personalization alone is a note of the test outcome. We also say to create is culture that growth ownership of the our rules and changing innovation in the new of the unique way your voice will be heard and we want to help the community it. This video is end. Thanks for watching video and subscribe my YouTube channel.